And not just for your Christmas tree, but it could be a night light. Look at this. Beautiful. So good ambiance to any place. Great decoration. Awesome little lights. And at the end of the day, now that the holidays are around the corner, check these out. Now these have built-in, they come with a battery, all right? But you could replace the battery. There's a screw in the bottom. But look at these. I haven't even shown you the rest of these. These are aisle lanterns. Now, the perfect size for your tree. Now just make sure they could carry the weight. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, right? So I'm gonna open them up. This is the cutest thing you've ever seen. Check it out. Lanterns, all right? This is a Christmas tree lantern. This is Mr. Santa Claus lantern. And then, of course, a present. Now, just make sure, be aware that you do have to replace the battery so they don't last forever. If you want to turn them off, all you got to do is, that's all you got to do. So, perfect for the holidays, perfect as a gift. Thing I didn't even tell you guys, look at this. They change colors as you open them up, different colors. That's red. Close it up. That's green. Look at that. Interchanging colors, blue, pink. How many colors can we see? And then goes back. So that's pretty cool. I like this. So you can match your Christmas tree colors in your decorations.